Try her again. No.
Here we go.
Yeah, just let it shut off. That is amazing to be that quiet after sitting for that long.
Works. At least 6 for 6 inches. Let's go. Man, I'm surprised it works so well and it sounds great. It's smooth. It runs great. Jeez. This is the best car I own. Best investment ever. This is it. I'm gonna clean her up now.
Gas line and antifreeze. Wow, they really prepped this sucker nice. Oh, I lost the shoe.
Got it.
Oh, guys, you can get out if you're ever trapped in the truck.
Shit, we did it.
I lost the sandal though.
There you go, bud.
We'll never. Oh, there it is. Thank God.
Ooh. Dirty Mike and the boys were definitely in this truck. Wait,
Ooh, that's a growly look there.
Oh, here, little Mr. Jingles. He's fully mummified.
He is.
That's an old.
This is probably the grandfather.
Probably the first mouse in Saskatchewan.
Yeah, it's first generation car mouse.
You got him?
Oh yeah, he's intact. He's free. He's freedom. Look at it.
Wow.
Oh, that's creepy. Shit, Kelsey, come touch it.
No.
Kelsey, it's probably clean.
The bolt's out. It's weird. It didn't say it needed an oil change until 84. Just another day on the job. I do this all the time.
Turn it a little bit both ways just to make sure it's seated properly.
The great thing with this car being in such great shape is that it has all the original paperwork with it. So we're talking the original owner's manual, warranty information, and even a spec sheet. So if we need to reference anything, part numbers, whatever, it's all in here, which is amazing.
567.
Right. right, so we've just replaced spark plugs and plug wires. So now we're just making sure that the diagrams match. Maybe it was not wired properly the first time, which could be a problem. So we're just double checking orders, and I think we're good. It took a little more work than we thought, but we did it. Idle's a little rough, but it'll smoothen out in time. After all, this is the first time I've ever done this, okay? So I had to do a lot of Googling, and I had to get a lot of neighbors to help me, but we made it. Look at that. So, pulled it out. It had been parked for well over 20 years. It's a 72. It was parked sometime in the 80s. We replaced spark plugs, plug wires, points, condenser in the distributor cap. Gave the carb a good clean out. That was very dirty. A lot of stuff collecting inside after sitting for so long. Also put in new filters, new air filter, new fuel filter down in there, brand new battery. Replaced the washer hose that the mice ate. All new belts, all 3 of them. Rad hoses, don't want to spring a leak. Topped up all the fluids, coolant, windshield washer fluid, and gave it a couple oil changes because that oil was gross. With the oil change, a new oil filter, of course, and then had to replace the plug because once we moved that after sitting for so long, it just didn't want to seal. So put a new gasket on there. All good now, no leaks. And then gave it a clean. It was so dirty, so cleaned a bit of the engine with some degreaser in certain parts. Replaced a few bulbs that were out, including some side signal flashers. And apparently tires expire, so 25-year-old tires, not a good idea. Put a new set on it. And inside, really nothing. I just had to reattach the mirror. After it finally came out of storage, the sun decided to melt the glue and the mirror fell off. Luckily, it didn't break though. And I think she's as good as it's gonna get without doing some serious, you know, take the engine fully apart kind of work to it. So let's take her out on the road and hope for the best. Here comes the car. Farmer wave. Nailed it. That's it. 2 or 3 fingers. You go more than 3 fingers, like 4 fingers is ridiculous. 2 is a lot. 3's even pushing it. Two's a good number of fingers.